Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Buick Encore Leather Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z9678XX. 30,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Coastal blue metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Encore is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large display for the MyLink infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for infotainment control. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside, overhead, auto dimming mirror, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Encore has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.